How to connect Asana to Google Calendar. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the My Task option. After that, in here, we'll have to go on the top right of the screen and then tap on this Customize option. In here, you will now see this option Apps. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then here we'll have to tap on this Add option. After that, in here you will automatically see this option Google Calendar. And then here we'll have to tap on this Add to Project option. And then after that, we'll have to tap on this option Connect to Google Calendar. And then here we will be asked to grant permission. What we need to do is to tap on this Allow option. And then in here you will be asked to select your Google account. After that, in here you'll have to make sure that you trust your Google Calendar for your Asana account. And then once you're done with that, simply tap on the Continue option. And then in here, as you can see, it says that you added Google Calendar to My Task. What we need to do is to tap on this Got It option, and then we will be automatically redirected to our Asana account. So in here, our Asana account is now synced to our Google Calendar. So that's how easy we can connect our Asana account to Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.